Hello guys, welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub, and today we will discuss on a viral problem which is in which 99.9% people stumps, which means that many people cannot solve this because of their lacking of their learning about BODMAS and PEMDAS. So I will tell you the step by step how to solve this and how to solve the correct answer, because many people solve this but they get the wrong answer, because we have to solve according to the board mass rule. So let's start, and I will tell you how to solve it. Then the question, firstly the question says 100 divided by 5 multiplied by bracket 3 plus 2 bracket whole square. This is the square which is being applied on 3 also and 2 also. So it is a whole bracket. Okay, I will tell you how to solve it, then minus 10 in the end. We will solve according to the board mass rule, and in the board mass rule says board mass. BODMAS rule says B for bracket, O for operation, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. We will solve this according to the BODMAS rule, and firstly we will solve the brackets. We will solve inside the bracket, then we will solve division method, then we will solve multiplication, and so on. Let's go ahead. So firstly we will solve 100 divided by 5, because it is division, so division comes on the third place. So first says bracket. Firstly we will solve bracket. Inside the bracket it says 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? 5. Then 5 square. So 100 divided by 5 will be written as it is. Multiply by 5 is 2 square minus 10 will be written as it is. Then 100 divided by 5 will also be written as it is, because the bracket has not completed. Until the bracket will not be completed, we will not go further to the second place. Then 100 divided by 5 will be written as it is. Multiply by 25, because 5 square is to 25. You have to learn and memorize all squares from 1 to 12, because these squares should be in your tips. Then minus 10 will be written as it is as usual. Then we will divide 100 from 5. Then 520 is 100. 520 is 100, so you can cross multiply also, because 25 has 100 and 100 divided by 5 is 20. Then 20 multiplied by 25 minus 10 will be written as it is. Then 20 multiplied by 25 is 500 minus 10. Then 500 minus 10 is 490. This is the correct method, and many people what they do, firstly they solve 100 divided by 5, because which is 20, and then they solve 20, then they solve 3 plus 2, which is 5, and then 5 square, and 5 square they get 25. Then they solve 25 minus 10, which they get 15, and 15 multiplied by 20, which they get the wrong answer. This is the correct method to solve according to the board mass rule, and PEMDAS also says the same. So I hope that you have understand today's lesson, and according to board mass rule we can solve this type of question very easily. And in the next video I will solve further difficult and critical questions, how to solve these type of questions more critically, where we will get the bigger brackets also. So in our next class we will learn how to solve much critical questions of board mass and PEMDAS. So be updated for more questions, and if you have any queries, so you can ask in comments. And if you felt this video interesting and amazing, so click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and comment, that you felt this video nice or interesting. So thank you.